Good morning children, teacher Sonia here. Welcome back to another session in English language. Let's begin today's class with a story.
Let's learn about prepositions. Crow is enjoying flying through the forest. When he spots paws searching for something between the trees. What are you searching for, Paws? Asked Crow. Paws tells Crow that he is searching for Jumbo, Kitty, Jojo, Baloo, Kit and Piglet. Please help me find them, Paws says to Crow. Crow agrees to help him and sets off to look for them. He returns and tells Paws about their hideouts. Jumbo is among the bushes. Kitty is inside the log. Jojo is on the tree. Baloo is behind the tree. Kit is under a leaf. And Piglet is between the trees. You gave away all our positions, the animals cried angrily. No, I did not, said Crow. Prepositions did. Prepo what? Asked Kitty. You can also call them place words, says Jumbo. But what are prepositions? Paws is confused. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the sentence. The preposition in the middle connects the noun or the pronoun to the rest of the sentence. For example, Jumbo is among the bushes. In this sentence, Jumbo is the noun and the bushes are the other words in the sentence. So what is among? Among is a preposition. Let's take a look at another example. Baloo is behind the tree. In this sentence, Baloo is the noun and the tree are the other words in the sentence. So what is behind? Behind is a preposition. One more example. Kitty is inside a log. In this sentence, Kitty is the noun and a log are the other words in the sentence. So what is inside? Inside is a preposition. So what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the sentence. Let's take a look at some more examples. Jojo is on the tree. Kit is under a leaf. Piglet is between the trees. Which are the prepositions here? The words on, under and between are prepositions. Here are some more prepositional words. Let's read them together. On, in, beside, with, between, below, across. You need to remember that prepositions not only tell us the place but also the time and motion or movement of the noun. Let's begin with prepositions of place. Let's read the sentences together. I fell into the pool. She hid behind the tree. He sat on the broken chair. Jack went up the hill. Jill sat in front of me in class. Which are the prepositions of place here? The prepositions of place are into, behind, on, up, in front of. Prepositions of time. Let's read the sentences. Let's meet after swimming classes. I woke up before the sun rose. He slept during the movie. The teacher had a meeting at 2 p.m. We are going for a picnic next Saturday. Which are the prepositions of time here? The prepositions of time are after, before, during, at, next. Finally, we have prepositions of motion or movement. Let's read the sentences. He walked through the forest all alone. We flew over the mountains. The truck skidded sideways across the road. Sarah goes to the bus stop on foot. I have been waiting for 3 hours. Which are the prepositions of motion or movement here? The prepositions of motion or movement are through, over, across, on, around. And here is a list of some common prepositions. Make sure to read them. Now let's identify the prepositions in the following sentences. The first sentence, the race was about to start. Which is the preposition here? The race is the noun and to start is the rest of the sentence. So the preposition in this sentence is about. It is a preposition of motion or movement. The second sentence, the rabbit slept under the bridge. Which is the preposition here? In this sentence, rabbit is the noun and the bridge is the rest of the sentence. So the preposition here is under. It is a preposition of place. The last sentence, he slept for 2 hours. Which is the preposition here? In this sentence, he is the pronoun and 2 hours is the rest of the sentence. So the preposition here is for. It is a preposition of time. Children, now tell me what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence.
I hope you enjoyed today's class on prepositions. Since we began the class with a story, let's end it with a guessing game. Now if you remember, there was a list of prepositional words that I put up. If you haven't read that list, then you will not be able to guess the words. So go back, read the list and come back. So I will use my hands to do the gestures. So for example, if you see this, the prepositional word is in. If you see this, the prepositional word is out. So let's begin today's game. Are you ready? Alright. The next prepositional word, can you guess what it is?
Over.
Yes, you're right. This,
On.
you're right again.
Under.
You're right again.
In front of. Behind. Beside. In between.
The next one is,
up,
you're right.
down,
And you're right again. Now this is a fun game which you can also play with your brothers, sisters and even your parents and grandparents. I will see you soon again with another lesson. Till then, take care, stay safe.